Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add international contacts phone number in WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you want to add international contacts phone number in your WhatsApp, so now your friend lives in other country, and now what you want to do is you want to add your friend to your WhatsApp account. So to do that, what you can do is just simply follow some steps. Just open up your WhatsApp application and then enter the password if you have set that password, and then after entering your password, what you can do is just tap on this icon which is plus, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. So you can find this green colored icon which is on the bottom right corner. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on new contact. After tapping on new contact, now you can just simply enter the name of that person. After entering the name, what you have to do is just select the country. So for example, now your friend lives in India. What you can do is just select India. Or your friend lives in Pakistan, so you can select Pakistan, or United States and other following countries. So if you can't find that country, then what you can do is just simply tap on the search bar which is on the top right corner, and then select for that country. So here you can find their country code. So what you have to do is just select their country code and then enter that. So after selecting that country code, just enter the phone number that you know. So after entering the phone number, now what you can do is you will find the option or a message which says this person is on WhatsApp. So what you can do is just simply tap on save. So after tapping on save, here you can see guys, you have successfully saved that person. So now if you'll just go ahead and search for that person, you can find that person. So I have just saved this person. So here you can see guys, I successfully saved that person which is in India. So that is how you can save a person from different country in your WhatsApp. So that's it guys. This is how to add international contacts phone number in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.